Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. This video is very special video because in this video I have drawn a digital portrait painting of Sandhya Mukherjee. This is my small tribute to Sandhya Mukherjee. And in this video you can learn how I do the digital painting. So you can also start your digital painting if you are in the class 6. Okay, at least from class 6 you can start your digital painting and you all should learn. If you didn't see my previous video, go and watch the previous video also where I have already drawn a portrait painting of Lata Mangeshkar. So without wasting time, watch our full video. Don't skip, you need to watch the full video and please like, comment, share and subscribe. I need more subscribers. Please share our channel. I want more people watch you and watch us. And don't forget to send your picture for our art gallery. Thank you for them, those who are already sending their artwork for our art gallery. Because Doremi is a platform that nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright.
So let's learn the portrait painting of legendary singer Sandhya Mukherjee. So we have to start our drawing. So you can understand we have to draw the basic form of the portrait that is similar for every portrait. Now I am concentrating in the particular features of our portrait. So this feature should be same of the face of Sandhya Mukherjee, otherwise it will be not looking like Sandhya Mukherjee. So you have to understand the drawing, but the basic form is very much important. I have made video on that also, so you need to watch that video first. So how improving the lips, first it was only a line. For positioning the lips, eyes, nose, the distance, you have to understand all these things. So I have made that video on that basic structure of the face, so you have to follow that video. Now we'll do the hairstyle also. The drawing I have done. After drawing, it may look like 80% Sandhya Mukherjee, sometimes it looks 70% of the portrait, but after coloring you can understand all the volume will be created. But in this drawing we will color in oil painting process from dark to light, so that you can do with pastel color also. And also if you want to do it watercolor, yes you can do, but that will be opaque system. So you have to apply the dark color. On the dark color you can apply light color. For this reason you can use white in your color. So just I am giving the dark patches. Obviously that should be according to the drawing. You have to understand where will be the dark patches. Now this is the middle tone I am doing. First I started with the dark, wherever I need dark I have done that. Now a middle tone. You can say the basic tone also, base tone also. And on that note I am applying some brownish color to get a different shades. So you have to understand this gradually, this tonal quality. Now taking the orange color, this actually we have left the space where the light is coming. So orange color is not a base color, but it's an area where the light is coming. Actually our base color I have applied reddish color. Orange also kind of base color, but this is not an actual skin color. Just we are creating and clearing the volume in the face. When you will be satisfied with your color and moreover the drawing, that time you can apply. So this is yellow color. Okay, so you can understand the volume. You can understand the volume. Volume means nose is higher, after that our chin and our cheek. So this way I am doing. Sometimes if you are missing some black patches or brownish patches or dark patches, you can do this. Because your face is still, now you are working with the base colors. So in the base colors you can make changes. Okay, right? So now this is the time that we have to come to the real color of the face. I mean the real tone of the skin. You can see how I'm improving. You could understand. I am using light colors on the dark colors in very light and soft manner that won't create any unnecessary texture for the faces. Just a mixing the color, you can understand. Yes, exactly. The more light color I'm applying, you can understand the face reactions, features. You have to watch very carefully all the light part I'm coloring. Some part if you have missed the dark patches, you can do that color. Now look, this is the light color. I hope you are getting understand how I'm using the light color. Where exactly needed, you can understand I am using the light color. And gradually it's giving us the feel of the skin. You can see our hair is also in the black color. We didn't work on that. We have to work in our hair also. But let me finish the skin first. Yes, light tone, middle tone, all the tones are applied. If you practice this, you can do this also. I don't want to do too much study in the neck. My point of interest was the face. You can understand the nose. I'm getting highlighted area to make you clear the drawing. You can understand the lips also, how I have given the color. You can understand the facial expression. Now neck part, look, the light is coming from the left side. So obviously our right part you can see the shadows. Look, I am using more light color. You can feel the skin right now. So you suddenly can't do this. You have to understand the drawing gradually. You can use the light color, more lighter if it is needed. So you have to start with the dark color to keep the intact the dark value of the face. Otherwise your drawing will be not looking good. You will lose the value of the drawing. All the tones now I'm doing, this is the ultimate tone. You can understand how the light is coming, exactly where is coming. You need to watch the full video, and I think you need to watch this video watch this full video and not only one time. Look, now just color the background. Don't have to do too much of detailing for the background. So I hope you are liking this video and this video will be helpful for you. I am always there with you. You should also start the drawing. You can contact me for your improvement. Once you start, you also can do this. Believe yourself and join us soon. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.